Welcome to our tutorial on how to make a DIY wooden bead garland kit. Here you see Madison pouring in the paint with a little bit of water just so that we can stain the beads. And of course you can do this the color of your choice. We've poured the beads onto a plate here, but you can also pour them right onto a paper towel. You just want to remove any of the excess paint and water. And the paper towel just helps absorb some of that, so you can roll the beads around and just wait for them to dry. So you're going to wrap the jute around your hand 12 to 16 times, creating the loops, so the longer the tassel you want, the bigger the loop. You cut it to size, and then you fold the loop, wrap about a 4-inch string around the top, and tie it in a knot. So you're going to want to repeat this process a second time so that you create both tassels for your bead kit. So to create your tassel, you're going to cut the bottom, which is the larger loop. Trim any of the excess string just to make it even. So you take about a 20-inch length of jute. You tie it to the end of the tassel so that you can start threading your beads through. So you can create a pattern if you like. You can create a solid pattern. It's totally up to you. So the last step is just to thread the jute through the loop of the second tassel and then secure it by tying a double knot. And then you're going to trim all the excess jute with a pair of scissors, and that's the final finishing touch. And there you have a fun accessory to decorate your tiered tray and use as home decor. Happy creating!